Hello everyone, this is Firoz Khan. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to use the Zoom.us website for the video conferencing or online teaching. So what you will need as a teacher using this app is you need to create an free account in the Zoom.us website. With that you need a laptop with a microphone and camera, because you are streaming yourself or you are sharing your laptop screen with your students, and at the same time you also want a headphone. Go to the Zoom.us website and sign up your account. So after logging in, you need to create your profile specifying your class name and other details. So you have to note that free Zoom account will only provide you 40 minutes of time limit for online classes or online meetings, and 3 or more participants can participate in your online class. So this is the important thing, that you need to make up your mind for the 40 minutes of teaching, not more than that. So you can fill all the details regarding the topic of your class and brief about your class, and here you can see the required meeting password also you can set, and you can mute the participation upon entry. This is very important feature because most of the students create nonsense or create sounds at the background, so you need to mute them when they enter the class. So here you can find the URL to be shared with your students so that they can click on it and come to your class or join your class. So you can do it on your laptop also, and you can do it on your phone also. So the teacher is supposed to do it on a laptop and the students are able to watch it on a laptop or their mobile application. On the scheduled time, you can start your class by clicking on the start button. That will take you to the main window from where you have to start your class by enabling the computer audio, so that you can input your audio to the computer or your class. So here you have an option of the managing participants. So you can manage your participants. Here you can see 2 participants have been joined our class, and you can mute and unmute their video and their audio so that they cannot disturb you. You can restrict them from disturbing you. So here you have an option of mute participation on entry or allow participation to unmute themselves. So you can mute or unmute them, or they themselves can mute and unmute themselves. So here you also have an option of mute all and unmute all. So these 3 are very important options in this online video conferencing, because a lot of noise the students will create from the background, so that may disturb you and other students. So you can mute all, you can click on mute all you can click on mute all to mute all the participants so that they cannot create any sound. Here you have an important feature of chat, that you can enable chat so that the students as they are on mute, they can put the messages to you regarding the questions or regarding the doubts they have in the lesson that you are teaching online. So you can chat with your students in the real time when you are doing the lesson. So screen share, this is an important feature, as if you don't want to show yourself on the camera, so you can share your screen like PPT. If you have played on the computer, you can use this feature, share screen. So most of the teachers use this feature of share screen, and after the class have been completed, you can stop the screen to disconnect from your students. So this is an end meeting for all. This is how you have started and you have reached the end, and end meeting will end the classroom video conferencing that you had with your students. So this is how the Zoom application we can use. So summary is to create account, and after creating account you can schedule the meeting, and after you have scheduled the meeting, you have to share the meeting link, that is the URL I have showed you. And the start meeting is when you are on schedule, you can start your meeting, and you use different hosting tools to control your participants and communicate with your participants. So this is all about the Zoom application. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Any doubts, comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.